Guys, this is a big deal. This is a big deal. I am so excited. I'm like a kid on Christmas Eve right now. You guys have no idea how excited I am about this. So, in this box is a part that I've been waiting for since I got my sponsorship with CorkSport. It's just something that as soon as I saw it, it caught my eye. And this is not released to the general public yet. This is not even on their website. So I'm super excited about this. This box has not been opened. It just came today. I just got home from work. Man, my chest is like pounding like crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this with you guys. This isn't gonna be open beforehand, anything like that. I'm just like so excited. And on top of that, I might be the first one to get one of these, which is, I never thought I'd be first in anything for this platform, no matter how minor it is. If this box is empty, this is going to be like the most cruel joke ever. So I'm going to set this off to the side and I'm going to move you guys. Alright. CorkSport has offered carbon fiber hood scoops for a while. A lot of people run them, a lot of people really love them. But this one is a bit different. I can get the packaging open here. I'm so excited for this. Oh, there's more bags. Everything's a bag. Oh, this is it. You guys ready for this? This is a look at the all-new forged carbon hood scoop for the 2nd gen Mazdaspeed 3 from CorkSport. So this is the same design. Let me grab you. This is the same design as their conventional carbon scoop, but instead they made these in forged, which this is just so dang cool. I'm actually redoing my interior, all the trim, and a forged carbon hydro dipped print. And this is just, sorry if the camera's shaky, guys. I'm excited, but this is just too cool, man. Look at that. I wish the sun was out because you guys would be able to see way more of it, but it looks super cool. It kind of flops in the sun. But it's kind of general idea. This makes me so happy. I am so excited about this. You know what? I'm just gonna put it on. I'm gonna put the thing on the car right now. I'm waiting for my bypass valve to get here, and you know what? It might rain. Hopefully I get it done before then, but I'm way too excited to let this thing sit in the box. Also, I don't know which one of you needs to hear this, but clean the flange underneath your factory scoop. I'm sure there's some of you that need to be ashamed of yourselves. Probably put it right on over the dirt. Alright, so don't mind the fitment of the bumper right now because I'm still finishing the front mount install. So it's got to close up a bit. But when you look at it, oh man, I wish the sun was out, but of course it's a cloudy evening. I just couldn't wait to install this thing. I'll be doing a photo shoot soon, so I'll get some good pictures of this thing. But car looks awesome with the bigger scoop on it for one thing, and that forged carbon layer is just too darn cool. It is everything that I hoped that it would be. Now in the instructions, it tells you to take care of the clear coat, wax it, maintain it, you know. So if your car sits outside a lot, guys, like, make sure you take care of this because it will fade just like anything else carbon fiber. Doesn't matter who you order it from. So take care of your stuff, follow the instructions. If you guys don't have the regular carbon scoop and you want one, hold off a bit longer, because if you're a fan of the whole forged carbon look, this thing is awesome. One more quick look at the fitment. Real nice along the body line, no crazy gaps. I mean, this is a quality part. I do need to get some new foam washers. Look how nice it is. My car's white. You know, if that edge was real crooked and real wavy, you'd be able to see that. So I gotta get some new foam washers. Mine were pretty dry, but there we go. So all ready for the show coming up. Hopefully it gets a lot of looks, a lot of compliments, and yeah. So quick video for today, but super exciting for on my end. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take it easy.